children. Welcome to the EVS class. Chapter 1 Introducing Myself.
Hello children, welcome to the EVS class. Children, in previous video we have finished the chapter introducing myself and today we shall begin with its question answers. All you have to do is take a pencil box, your EVS course book and a 4 lines notebook with you. So now take out page 10 of your course book and we shall start with the exercise. First question in our exercise is fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blanks is 1. Meera is dash years old. Children, how old is Meera? Yes, correct. Meera is 6 years old. Second fill in the blank. Most grown-ups have dash cards. What do most grown-ups have? Correct. They have identity cards. I-D-E-N-T-I-T-Y. Identity card. Then move to the next. Third fill in the blank. The activities that we like doing are called our, yes, what are they called? What are the things that we like to do? Yes, correct. They are hobbies. H-O-B-B-I-E-S, hobbies. So children, that is all with the fill in the blanks. Now let's move to the next question. Second question is write T for true or F for false. So here you will write T for true. That means here they have given us 3 sentences. You have to read them, understand them and see if they are correct or wrong. If the sentence is correct, you will mark T in the box. If the sentence is wrong, you will mark F in the box. Understood? So now let's begin. Meera loves playing football. If you have seen or read the chapter, you must have seen Meera is playing football in the picture. So what she likes to do? Yes, she loves playing football. So the sentence is correct or not? Yes, it is correct. Correct means true. So write down T. Second sentence. Children are given identity cards by their friends. Now children, they are saying that the iCard that you have is given to you by your friend. Is it correct? Has your friend given you the iCard to you? No, it is not given by your friend. It is given by your school. So the answer is, the sentence is wrong. You have to write here F. Mark F. Third fill in the blank is third true or false. We like to do different things in our free time. So is it correct or wrong? We like different things, no? Or is it that you do same thing in your free time? You do many things in your free time. You can do painting, you do dancing, you can sing a song, you go out to play. So whenever you are free, you do different things. So yes, it is correct. We like to do different things in free time. So the sentence is correct. Then you have to mark T. So children, that was all in the textbook. Now let's continue with the notebook writing. Take out your notebook and pencil. So let's write the question answers in our notebook. So children, let us continue with the notebook writing. Take out your 4 lines notebook. Take out a new page and on the left corner of your notebook here write down today's date, that is 26/6/2020. Put the title Chapter 1 Introducing myself. You can copy down the spelling from the textbook. The next is we are going to start with hard words. Children, we have learned many new words in the textbook while reading the chapter. So we are going to read and write and learn the new spellings. So the first word is birthday. What is the spelling? B-I-R-T-H-D-A-Y, birthday. Second, identity. I-D-E-N-T-I-T-Y, write down identity. Third is grown up. G-R-O-W-N, grown, U-P, up. Fourth, favorite. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. Fifth is hobbies. H-O-B-B-I-E-S, hobbies. Sixth is special. S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. Then seventh word is similar. S-I-M-I-L-I-A-R, similar. Eighth is different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. Then we have here is ninth spelling, birth date. B-I-R-T-H-D-A-T-E, birth date. Tenth, address. A-D-D-R-E-S-S, address. So children, these are the 10 hard words. You just don't have to copy it down in your notebook. You will also by heart the new words spellings. So let us now continue with the question answers from our textbook. So children, here on the next page you have to give the title question C. Answer the following questions. Now here the question C, question A and B we have solved in course book. Now we will start here with the question answers. Question 1, what is your favorite activity? It can be anything. The favorite activity, like you can write reading, dancing, painting, singing, any one activity. So write down the answer. My favorite activity is reading. So I will write reading is my favorite activity. So that is your complete answer. Now let's move to the second question. Question 2, what is an identity card? An identity card is a small card that has information about us, like name, age and place. You can look at your iCard and refer how the iCard looks like. Now next question. Question number 3. What are some of the things written on an identity card? Here they have asked what all things are written on identity card. So have you seen and observed the identity card? Yes, you can take a look at your school iCard and just see what all details are there on the iCard. There are details like name, age, address and birth date. It also has your blood group, your school name, your class that you study in, then the bus by which you travel. So there are many details in a small iCard. So you can write any 4 of them. Here I have given name, age, address and birth date. Got it? So children, that was all for today. Now all you have to do is copy down the questions in your notebook and learn them as well. So it's bye from me for now. We will meet in next video with a new chapter. So take care.